Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe, share, like, and turn on your post notification button so you'll be alerted whenever I post a video. This is a look I did on Sunday for Sunday service, a quick makeup tutorial. So let's go right into the video. Alright, I'm starting off with my skin prep, very important, and I'm using my Angel baby wipes and my micellar cleansing water. To start off my skin prep, as you can see in the video from Blossom Makeup's NG, cleaning my face to remove every dirt from my pores and all that. Very important, guys. I don't know how people skip skin prep in doing makeup. Skin prep is not underrated, please. It should not be underrated, rather should not be underrated. So I'm going on with my facial toner. I'm using the Tires facial toner. I love this facial toner because it has rose petals on it. It's rose water and aloe vera, I think, and witch hazel too. Yes, it has it inside. So after that, I'm going with my 24K gold Viccabel facial serum to further moisturize my face and give it that glowing skin. Always keep your face moisturized, whether oily skin or dry skin or normal skin. Very important. Okay, I used my sunscreen instead of my moisturizer because I was going out and it's on Sunday service and the weather was hot and the sun is already out. So in fact, it's very important to use a sunscreen whether you are doing makeup or not. Sunscreen is a must. Very important because, as you know, the radiation of the sun is not nice on this our skin, our Nigerian weather now. All right, so I'm going in with my sweat block from Msmetics. They call it the power seal. We gotta seal in those sweat and oil in. As you can see, I have oily skin, very very oily skin. So I'm dapping that on my T-zones. Okay, I dabbed it on my T-zones alone. So I have next, I'm going with my Msmetics, the aqua grip. It's a water-based primer actually, but if you look at my face, you see I've already applied the primer before this aqua grip. I use the Pond's primer before I apply this. Sometimes I use up to 2 to 3 primers depending on how my mood goes that day. So next, I'm going on with my foundation. This is baby skin foundation from Blossom Makeup's MG and Motec foundation. Okay, I used the two to get this shade. Actually, I didn't even really use that baby skin because I noticed that it was lighter, so I had to use the Motec foundation only, and that shade is in 350 caramel. Yeah, I think so, caramel 350. Yeah, so I'm using my brush from Viccabel brush sets. Viccabel brush sets, this foundation brush. I love this brush so much because it helps to even out the foundation faster. Then I went in with my beauty blender, guys. That's how I apply my foundation and it gives a flawless finish. Before you use your beauty blender, always make sure it's damp. Like, soak it in water and squeeze out the excess water. Make sure it's damp. Don't use your beauty blender just like that. It helps to smoothen out everything. So next, I'm going with my FBH concealer palette. I've already done the other eye, so I'm showing you guys this other one. I was trying to be fast this video because I was going for church service, so I needed to meet up and show you guys a quick video before I go to church. All right, so I'm blending in the concealer. As you can see, I'm dabbing it in. I'm not shifting or doing any, just soft damping it into the skin. You don't drag your makeup products. It's best to damp it in, okay, with your damped beauty blender. Don't forget, very important. So I'm blending this in, and when using your concealer, please don't use more than 2 shades for easy blending. So yeah, I've already used my cheek cosmetics setting powder on it before I went in with my Blossom setting powder. And if you notice, I used that my cheek, it was my color before I went in with this one. It's best when you use, I'm going to do a detailed video after this one. I'm going to do another video on how to show you guys the tricks and tips of avoiding flashbacks from your under eyes, okay, to get that natural skin like finish makeup look. So yeah, I'm damping the setting powder into my T-zones. the bridge of my nose and my eyebrow. I think I've done my eyebrow before this video. It's supposed to be the other way around. So I'm doing my eyebrow here. If you notice, I put the setting powder on my eyebrow to avoid oil and to make it matte, like so it can last all day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm using the LVH pencil. Yeah, microbladed pencil rather. I'm using the LVH pencil. I love this eye pencil because it's easier for me to use and you don't have to start sharpening and sharpening, just like David's eye pencil, and it's matte. It has lesser oil in it. Just do what works for you, but me, I feel this is faster for me, though I use the David's eye pencil sometimes, but this is faster for me. Okay, our eyebrows are done, so I'm going in with a darker shade of my concealer at the beginning of my eyebrows. I love using the darker shade of my concealer at the beginning of eyebrow for easy blending, you know, because it's closer to your nose contour. You don't want to use a concealer that is lighter and you start blending, except if you have the strength to. But me, I like, who does not like easy something, huh? Who doesn't? Okay, I'm now using a lighter shade towards the tail of my eyebrow to give that highlighted look. Okay, to give that highlighted look for my brows. Yeah, that look. So please turn on the notification button. I'm going to post the later